Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and I'm excited to share with you today. I am going to be doing another back to basics video, the kind we can share with those people in our lives that are maybe new stampers or haven't stamped in a long time. And I wanted to share one of my favorite things about Stampin' Up. I love that Stampin' Up has coordinating colors throughout all of their products. So let me bring in some things here. I have ink and ribbon and markers and paper and patterned paper, and you can see it's all the same color. And that's so nice because when you're creating something and you want to have it match, you know that it's going to match perfectly with the other products that Stampin' Up carries. And it's one of my very favorite things. And this isn't just the case for this beautiful powder pink color. This is the case for all of our colors. So I just wanted to show you that. And then I wanted to just sit down and make a cute monochromatic type card and show you how easy it is to use the products. So we're going to start, I'm going to use this as my base. And then I wanted to take just the same color. This is powder pink. It's a really pretty light color. And I wanted to use one of our background stamps. This is the marbled background stamp. It's a really fun way to get a really cool image just on the background of a card. And I'm just going to ink up that stamp with my powder pink ink like that. And I'm going to just take this card piece. This is a 5 1/4 by 4 piece. And I'm just going to lay it right on top of there. And then I'm going to take a scratch piece of paper like so. And I am just going to put it over it and rub. And this way I'm going to get that pattern all over my piece. And I'm not going to get ink on my fingers. Just like that. See how cute? Okay. And then I've already cut a piece of white, Whisper white cardstock. And I'm going to use a stamp from this Big Wishes stamp set. This Hope Your Day is Amazing. And again, I'm going to stamp in the powder pink ink. Just like that. And then I'm going to just put my card together. First, I want to use some ribbon. This is the cute ruffled ribbon that comes in powdered pink. And I'm just going to tie a little piece around here. And then trim my little tails off. And then I'm going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back here. And put my card together. Like that. And then I'm also going to put some dimensionals on the back of my saying to give it a little bit more dimension on my project. Just stick it like that. And just like that, you have a cute, quick card that you can put together. Fun monochromatic, just using Stampin' Up products, all that coordinate. If you wanted to, you could have used, instead of the background stamp, you could have used the cute pattern paper. That would have been adorable too. But I love to stamp, so I used a stamp. Really, the possibilities are endless. You could sit down, and if you have 5 different colors, maybe you get the 5 in colors, and you could make 5 different colored cards quickly like that, and they're so cute and fun. If you like this video and you want to share it with a friend, make sure you do that, and make sure you give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.